today we're taking a look at this awesome foot massager from TISSCARE. I say foot massager, that's actually incorrect. This thing massages many things. Your feet are one thing, but it can also do, if your arms are fatigued, you can put your arms in there, triceps, even your calf muscles, your legs, everything. If you could fit it in here, you can massage it. Now, these things right here, this is where your hands go. This is made, the reflexology in this is made to simulate hands. So it's gonna feel like actual hands are working on your feet, arms, or whatever body part you need. So, it comes with a very nice, easy to use display right here. Of course, LED display as well. This thing actually comes with the massage and heat, so you can get heat treatment as well. I'm excited to plug this thing in and give it a go. Oh, one last thing, in case you are using it for your feet, these little covers right here, they zipper and come right off. That way you can throw them in the clothes washer, clothes dryer, get them all nice and clean and smelling good. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up so we can use it. One thing I forgot to mention, the 360 carry handle. So this thing right here moves where it can easily be stored, or you can put this, set it at an angle where this thing will be at an angle to give you your massage. So really cool feature there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. Oh yeah, that feels great already. We'll make sure we turn the heating all the way up. Oh yeah, now we just sit here, you let it do its job. You can see how it's working on the sides here. And what you can't see, you can see these rollers on the bottom here doing work as well. And you can see the heat pads. So I mean, this thing is really doing a number on your feet here. Really great job. Oh yeah, feels great, does absolute wonders here. It feels so amazing. So as you can see here, I now have this set up to do my calf and my Achilles. Also, I have the remote here, so we're just gonna go ahead and start it. Oh yeah. See, now we're working on my legs here, working on my calves, working on my Achilles, and let me tell you, this thing does absolute wonders here. I could sit here, let this massage all day. Just, it feels great, and I have Achilles problems, so this thing helps massively with my Achilles tendon. It feels great. And now, last but not least, I'm gonna show you how you can use this on your arms. Just put your arms in here, hit the button, sit back and relax. This thing's gonna work. Right now I have it working on my forearms, but you could also do your triceps as well. Set your triceps right in there and just relax. Let it do all the work for you. It's massaging, it's heating, it's doing both of my triceps right here. This just feels absolutely great. This is really a multi-use tool that you can use for several things. I absolutely love this machine. I think it's best for my feet and my calves because that's where my problem areas are, but wherever your problem areas are, this massager is definitely gonna help. It feels